Hello, this is Brett from Alde Control Panel, and this is how to use your Alde Control Panel. If we just use that button there, it turns it on. We can skip it a bit quicker by just tapping that menu button. So just to explain this, and that is our internal temperature, and that is telling us that we're hooked into the electric. So if we go onto menu, we can adjust the temperature that we want it in here by doing this up and minus buttons. We can then adjust the hot water. I will just explain quickly, if we've got hot water on, it prioritises our hot water, so it will get the hot water nice and hot before your heating. So if you come in on a winter's night and you just want the heating on, you can worry about the water at another stage, then just put your heating on, leave the water. This one here tells you 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, 3 kilowatt of electric. Now the only reason you might want to limit this is if you're on a site where they limit your power, so you might want to limit the power you're using. Then this button here tells you that the gas is on. We'll then go to the settings. I'll run through these quickly. We've got a night mode, so you can change, it changes the display of what colour it is, and it will come on at certain times. So you can set that up, and then you can also go on the day mode, just this one. And that sets the day mode up, and it'll just do the same as the night mode. It puts into a different screen, and you can set that up so it comes on and off for whatever times you'd like it. This button that says Prio, if you saw that, click on that. It'll prioritise using electric over gas, however, whichever one you want to use. I'd suggest, if you're staying on lots of campsites, I'd suggest using the electric, because you're already paying for the electric on the site, so you may as well use the electric. Go back with that button there. Click on this one. This is just your back, this lighting, how bright you want it, and what settings you want it on. And then we'll click onto this, and that's just the time and day clock settings. Go down. Don't need to worry about that. We'll then go on this button here. It can offset the temperature. So if it's reading 30 degrees in here, but you've got a thermometer in here and it's saying it's only 25, you can offset it by putting it to like -5. So then it would then read correctly, and then your heating would read correctly, because sometimes it gets to 30 and it's actually only on 25 in here and it'll read 30. So you might just want to adjust that yourself. We'll go back. This is high altitude. Obviously, if you're staying in the mountains, use it altitude over 1,000 meters, as it says there. This is if you want to beep on the buttons. And then this one is a delayed start, so you might want it to just delay and just start at a different time. You can set it there. This is for your pump. You don't need to worry about that. And then these, it's just reset if you've got an issue, but everything else there, I wouldn't touch. And then we are back to the start. Thank you.